Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. My name is Jamie, and in this short episode I'm going to try and answer some of your questions about the light mode of HitFilm Express. What is the light mode? What if I'm used to the dark mode? Can I switch it back? Can I get the dark mode if I'm new to the software? Good questions, let's go. First of all, what is the light mode? Recently, HitFilm Express 14 came out with a light mode, which is the standard option for new users. While there are different opinions on this design choice, I have to say that I quite like it myself, and that comes from someone who religiously uses dark themes. Just to clarify, no, this is not a sponsored video, I'm not paid to say any of this, this is just my personal opinion, as always on this channel. Kirsty clarified that they have experienced some issues with people getting confused between HitFilm Express and HitFilm Pro in the past because of how similar the feature set is and their almost identical interfaces. By taking the step to make the programs have different visual identities, I think tutorials can also become a bit more indicative of their level. Tutorials on my channel which were made in Express and have an Express logo on the thumbnail will always mean that you can follow along without having to buy any effects. Then, what if I used HitFilm Express in the past and I'm used to the dark mode? Do I now have to get used to the light mode? The short answer to that is no. If you own HitFilm Express before version 14 and after HitFilm Express 2017, you can go into Options, Interface and choose your preferred theme. Why only if you use the software since Express 2017? This has to do with a license change. The newer software did not have the same license as the older versions. So, what if I'm new to the software and I also want the dark theme? If you are new to the software, you can purchase the starter pack for only $9 on the Pay What You Want page, link is in the description below. You'll get the dark mode as well as $30 worth of add-on packs. And if that wasn't enough, a portion of your purchase goes to a good cause, so you're supporting a charity too. So I hope that answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.